Imagine that you're overseeing a construction, renovation, or installation project. What if things don't go as planned? What if something goes wrong before the project is completed? That's where a builder's risk insurance policy comes into play. Builder's risk insurance is a crucial aspect of any construction project, providing personalized protection for the structure and materials until the project is finished. Managing a home construction project can be stressful, but securing and making sure that you have the right insurance doesn't have to be. Here's a simple explanation of coverages, exclusions, procedures, and costs so you can focus on your project's success. Builder's risk insurance is an insurance policy that is designed for buildings under construction, also known as course of construction insurance. It shields both the property and the homeowner from financial losses due to damage or loss of project structure and materials during construction. These policies are highly specialized, which can make understanding them a bit confusing. So what does a builder's risk policy cover? A builder's risk policy typically covers the structure under construction, including all materials on site destined to be a permanent part of it. In general, these policies commonly cover damages or losses caused by theft, vandalism, fire, lightning, hail, hurricanes, wind, explosions, and vehicles. So what is not covered or excluded under a builder's risk policy? Standard exclusions typically include damages to wear and tear, mechanical breakdown, design flaws, employee theft, earthquake, water damage, weather-related harm to property left outside, acts of terrorism and war, government actions, contract penalties, and voluntary parting. Additionally, exclusions may apply depending on the location and the project details. And contractors and subcontractors are also excluded. So who you hire will have to carry their own general liability and workers' comp insurance. A builder's risk insurance policy provides coverage up to the pre-established coverage limit. Policy terms vary from 3, 6, or 12 months depending on the construction timeline. And if the construction surpasses the policy term, it can often be extended, and some policies limit you to one single extension. So how much does it cost? A standard builder's risk insurance policy typically ranges between 1% and 4% of the total construction cost. For example, a $400,000 project will cost between $4,000 and $16,000 a year for coverage, and the exact amount is influenced by the policy type, location, and extensions. But there are other alternatives to a builder's risk policy, such as a dwelling under construction or dwelling under renovations, available at a much lower cost. You need to work with your local independent insurance broker and explain in details to them what the construction project is to ensure that your coverage matches your project's requirements. And after your project is completed and the builder's risk policy ends, we can also help you obtain the necessary homeowner's policy to protect your new home. And here's a pro tip. If you know that your project is not going to be completed by the end of the policy term, you need to contact your insurance broker to extend the policy coverage. If you wait and there is a gap in coverage, it could be very difficult to reinstate or obtain a new policy for the remainder of your project. Vargas & Vargas Insurance is your local independent insurance broker who focuses on the customer. We don't represent any one insurer, but instead compare policies from multiple providers to find the best fit for your individual needs. With over 4 decades of experience in helping people with their insurance, we always have time for you. You can reach our team various ways by calling 617-298-0655 or by visiting vargasinsurance.com and clicking on the Compare Quotes tab. You can send us an email to quotes@vargasinsurance.com, and you can also send us a text to 617-409-0329. One of our team members will respond right away. But can I ask you a favor? If you found this video and blog useful, would you mind passing it along to anyone who might need help with insurance or has an insurance question or needs a reliable insurance quote? And we'd be grateful if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and enable notifications by hitting that bell so that you are notified the next time we post a video. Remember that knowledge is your armor against uncertainty. Stay informed, stay protected. Thank you for watching.